Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making an Italian garden sandwich. Now, why settle for a bland lunch when you could transport yourself to the sunny hills of Italy with this amazing sandwich recipe? I can't wait to show you guys how to make it, and so without further ado, let's get started.
All right, let's dive right into this recipe. It's really simple. So we're gonna start off with 2 slices of thick cut white bread. And we're going to spread 1 tablespoon's worth of basil pesto onto each slice of bread. And then onto 1 slice of bread, we want to add on 1 tablespoon's worth of chopped avocado. And on top of that slice of bread with the avocado, you want to add on your 8 slices of oven roasted turkey, about 1/4 of a cucumber that's been thinly sliced, 1/4 of a tomato thinly sliced, with a dash of Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper, as well as 2 slices of Havarti cheese. You want to close the sandwich with the other slice of bread. And you want to lightly toast the sandwich on a frying pan, panini press, or even a grill top on both sides for about 15 seconds per side just to get that cheese melted. And with that final step, you want to slice this, serve, and enjoy. Congrats, you made my Italian garden sandwich right at home. This also works great with using ham slices as well. I can't wait for you guys to try this. I hope you incorporate it into your own kitchens. And when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this Italian garden sandwich. And if you did, make sure you smash the like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you've been enjoying the content so far, please consider becoming a member. It's a simple way to show thanks and reinvest back into the channel.
And stay tuned for next week where I try to make a really delicious entree, my braised beef short ribs. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.